'Cause a girl is a gun. She's harder to handle than you think, son. You feel safe when you're with her. Think twice before you pull the trigger. She feels good in your hand from the first little spark. But guns shoot bullets and bullets break hearts. Heart breaks a witch, she'll kill you with a kiss. So be careful when you're holding one. 'Cause a girl is a gun. Yeah. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this song that was requested. This is A Girl is a Gun by Old Dominion. So this song is super easy, okay? I'm going to show you kind of like two different strumming patterns you can use. And then also it's in standard tuning. There's no capo or anything. You're only going to use 2 chords for the song as well. So it's crazy easy, okay? Before I get into all that, if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments section, and I'll get to it as quickly as I can, if I can. I can't guarantee I can do all of them, but I'll do my best, okay? Also, if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments, and please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, okay? All right, let's get into this. So, here are the 2 chords you're going to use for this song. You're going to use E, okay? And you're also going to use A. Okay, super easy. Now you know the chord progression for the entire song. Now I'm going to show you a couple other little things you can do that make it sound better than just playing the 2 chords. So let's get started with it. So at the beginning of the song, they kind of have like some drums going and stuff like that. What I think sounds cool is, so you go like you're going to do, like get ready to kind of do the E, but you're not going to do it yet. So you're basically going to block all of them. Okay, you're just going to lightly touch them. So that makes that sound, okay? Just like that, okay? So you're gonna do, okay, just like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just like that, okay? So you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you do it like 3 times. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then after the 3rd time, you're gonna go into E, and you're gonna do that same strumming pattern right there. Okay, then you go to A, E, A. Okay, now because you're only playing it on one guitar by yourself, you're not going to want to do the same chords, the same the same volume and everything, right? Same strumming pattern and stuff. So what I would do for the once you start playing the lyrics in the verse, so then you're going to do E, all right? So you're going to do. Seems innocent enough when you're buying the drinks at the bar and you're both getting loaded. Okay, so what I would do, instead of playing it just like, seems innocent enough when you're buying the drinks at the bar and you're both getting loaded. Okay, so instead of doing that, because then you would be doing that for basically the whole song, what I would recommend doing is playing the lower strings, okay, like mainly those ones. So I would mainly play from like D down, okay. I would play those and then play it soft. Okay? Seems innocent enough when you're buying the drinks at the bar and you're both getting loaded. I know I'm not like doing the melody perfectly, but anyway, that's how I would do it. Okay? So now you can do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 and then you switch back. Okay? I'll show you. So seems is where you're gonna do E. Seems innocent enough when you're buying the drinks at the bar. Okay, so at the bar is where you do A. Bars, you're both getting loaded. Don't, okay, so then don't is E. Don't even know just the danger you're in, because you're so is A. So caught up in the moment. Okay, and you shoot, because it shoots you a smile, okay? So it's E is shoot, shoots you a smile through the smoke. And then you do hits is A. Hits you before you even know that a girl. Okay, so then this is where we're gonna get louder, okay? So after you do hits you before you even know, you're gonna go into the chorus. What you're just gonna do E, and I would just do 1 strum and let it ring out, okay? 'Cause a girl is a gun. She's harder to handle than you think, son. Feel safe when you're with her. Okay, so that's where you're gonna play it louder. You're gonna play all of the notes, okay? Feel safe when you're with her. Okay, so that's where you're gonna do that. Now I'm gonna show you the second strumming pattern that's actually easier in just a second, but I'm gonna walk you through the chorus and then I'll show you that second strumming pattern. So the way you're gonna do this is, 'cause a girl, just single strum on a girl, A girl is a gun, that's E. She's harder. Okay, when on harder you do A. Harder to handle than you think, son. You feel safe. Okay, you feel safe. You feel safe. It's gonna be E. Safe when you're with her. Think twice. Okay, think twice is gonna be A. Think twice before you pull the trigger. She feels good in your hands. Okay, she feels good is gonna be E. She feels good in your hands from the first little spark. But guns, okay, is gonna be A. But guns shoot bullets and bullets break hearts. Okay, then you're gonna do heartbreaks, a B word. I won't say it. Heartbreaks, a B word is gonna be the E chord. Okay, so you're gonna strum E there. Heartbreaks a witch, she'll kill you with a kiss. So before, okay, is gonna be A. So be careful. So be careful is going to be A. Careful when you're, so let's see, so it's heartbreaks the wind, she'll kill you with a kiss, so be careful. So be careful is going to be A. Be careful when you're holding one, cause a girl. Okay, so what you're going to do is cause a girl, and then you're going to do that same thing we did at the beginning, and you're just going to kind of like touch the strings and do, cause a girl is a gun, yeah. Okay, just like that. So when you do that part, you're gonna do cause a girl is gonna be E. Cause a girl, and then you go to A, is a gun, yeah. Then you're just gonna go through E, A once, and then you're gonna go back into the next verse. So you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, then you're gonna go into she's cold and she's hot. Okay, just like that. So you're just gonna transition right into it. Now the other strumming pattern that you can do if you want, that will make it even easier, if the song wasn't easy enough, is that you can do just down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, you don't have to do the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You can just do down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, now if you're like newer and some of the strumming is like harder for you, that's an easier one to do. So you can give that one a shot. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments or anything. And thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you guys next time.